Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
The lack of demand for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds is raising concerns about Bitcoin's prospects for the rest of the year, even as the US government appears to be nearing the end of its 41-day shutdown. Paramount Skydance shares rose 8% in a vote of investor confidence for new CEO David Ellison's pitch on remaking the storied media house for the streaming era. The company announced job cuts and laid out plans to invest $1.5 billion in its streaming and studio divisions. Gold edged down as traders booked profits after prices hit a near 3-week high earlier in the session, while hopes that resumption of US economic data could prompt a Federal Reserve rate cut next month limited losses.
The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.